Very good morning to all of you. This video I have made for the revision purpose. In this I am going to revise what we have studied in physics, the first unit, that is motion. And for the convenience I have made a flowchart for you so that you can also have a fast revision which will be very useful for you for attempting the questions or upcoming test. In this unit, we have studied motion, rest, acceleration, uniform motion, non-uniform motion, circular motion, and the equations of motion. So one by one, I am going to revise it. So please pay attention. Motion is a change of position. It can be described in terms of the distance moved or the displacement. Also, the motion of an object could be uniform or non-uniform depending on whether its velocity is constant or changing. Also, we have studied the speed of an object is the distance covered per unit time and the velocity is displacement per unit time. Also, we know the acceleration of an object is the change in the velocity per unit time. And uniform and non-uniform motion of an object can be shown through graphs that we have discussed. Also, now we are in position to say that the motion of an object moving at uniform acceleration can be described with the help of following three equations. Namely, first equation is v is equal to u plus at. Second is s is equal to ut plus half at square. Third equation is v square minus u square is equal to 2as, where v stands for the final velocity, u stands for the initial velocity, a stands for the acceleration of the body, that is uniform acceleration, and t is for the time taken, s is for the distance moved. Also, till now in this unit we have studied if an object moves in a circular path with uniform speed, its motion is called uniform circular motion. So I would request you to focus on this table which is given for you, and here in this we have acceleration, and what we have discussed about the acceleration, it is change in velocity by time, that is rate of change of velocity, it is known as acceleration. Acceleration is a vector quantity. The SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Uniform circular motion, the motion of a body moving with constant speed in a circular path. Uniform circular motion is an accelerated motion. Acceleration of a body having uniform circular motion is called centripetal acceleration. Displacement, the shortest distance traveled between the initial and the final position of the body or the object during its motion. Mathematically, we can calculate the displacement and the velocity and time using the relation velocity is equal to displacement by time. Velocity is a vector quantity. Velocity may be positive or negative or zero. Average velocity is given by the formula total displacement by total time. Moving ahead, in this table we have equations of motion as I have already discussed now itself. And these equations are, first one is v is equal to u plus at, second one s is equal to ut plus half at square, third one v square minus u square is equal to 2as. About the distance, length of actual path traveled by an object during its motion, and the instrument which measures the distance traveled by a vehicle, it is known as odometer. Distance is a scalar quantity. From the distance we come up to know about one more physical quantity, that is speed, and speed it is given as distance by time. SI unit of speed it is meter per second. Speed is a scalar quantity. Average speed is given by the formula total distance traveled by total time taken. What we mean by saying instantaneous speed? Instantaneous speed is the speed at any instant during the motion of the body. And the speedometer measures the instantaneous speed of a vehicle. So these things was all about what we have studied in this unit, motion. Depending on the same concept, upcoming videos I will be discussing the multiple choice questions which will be useful for you for upcoming online examination. Thank you for today.